Imagine yourself in this 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes 4-wheel drive, connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, an alarm system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.